Today we are making a natural, powerful flu balm, simple, smoothing and packed with immune boosted goodness. We're using 1 lime, remove the skin and slice that. Next, we're going to use 2 cloves of garlic. Crush that to release that all natural antibacterial oil. Then add it to your desired teacup. Pour hot water straight away over them and let them steep a bit. Add 1 black tea bag in for a couple seconds. That's all you need. Then remove the tea bag right away. Finish off with some organic. Then enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and like.